Good morning, everybody. Mike Vacchi, Princetontrader.com, here with your Wednesday morning market webcast. Okay, so we're just kind of grinding around here. The closing price on Friday was $27.77.75. The closing price, after all was said and done, over the course of Monday, Tuesday, was $27.77.75. So we've gone everywhere and nowhere at all. And on a day that potentially could be a little light because of the weather, we may continue to compress. So let's take a look at the hourly chart. You can see we compressed hard here. We had a head fake down, head fake up, and now we're back into this compression area. Just a larger amount of compression. And it's, it's a little wider range, basically 10 handles. Ended up being a decent day yesterday. Did 10 and change. Just really buying that dip. Once the bears were unable to turn 27.73 to 76 into resistance, and it got up and over the top of the of that blue line there, of that mid band, they ran it up. Now, the bulls weren't able to break it out and keep it busted up over the top, basically, holding that 84 area, 82 to 84 as support. It slipped back down, it slipped back through, and we spent the night dancing on either side of 27.77. And we're trading what right now? 79. So as we head into the open, I've got to kind of sit back and say, okay, well, what does it want to be? And there's three options. Either we make another run at 87 and change. You do that by turning the hourly mid-band into support, and we go ahead and we expand these bands to the upside. You keep it as resistance, and for the last 4 hours now, they've tried to keep it resistance, and you spill it down. You got to deal with this head fake low down here at 27.66. Door number 3 is what I truly fear. We go nowhere. We hang out. We hang out. Everybody back here on the East Coast watches the snowfall, and we just kind of dance in a 5, 6, 7 handle range. Now, news can affect that, obviously, but right now we are compressing, which I like. From our perspective, it's been a really solid month. The month's already made. We're sitting here at February the 20th, and the more we compress, the more volatility that we're going to have into the end of the month and the beginning of March, which is great. Volatility is not dead. Volatility is fantastic. Even in this compression zone yesterday, we're still in 20 handle range. So I'll never complain about that. So be careful off the open. You have a whole lot of areas. Hourly mid-band, volume weighted average price, the 5-minute mid-band, the daily pivot, proprietary moving average that we follow in the room, all jammed up between 76 and 78. You have to let 76 to 78 decide what they want to be before you get involved. You try to hyper trade around that, you're going to take 10 trades, a bunch of minus ones and plus ones and commission and everything else, and you're going to get dizzy, and and then finally the move is going to happen, and you're going to be too tired to trade it. Don't do that. All right, everybody, take care. 9:20, we're going live on Instagram. Join us. Trade them well. Talk to you soon. Follow us over on Twitter, Instagram, and Snapchat at Princeton Trader. Check us out on Facebook and join us for a free trial at www.princetontrader.com. Trade them well.